King of the Pirates. We talked about Goldwater, the King of the Pirates. And we thought is a power, fame, money.
Help level up your
It's a
health with
breed of
extra
things.
energy from Enervon G.
And the only way finding the One Piece with big 800 years when Joyboy hide the One Piece.
Karaoke.
And why Gold Roger captured by the Marines and the One Piece is known is at the Silk Eneos. This can't be removed, but you know who can? Chopper is a devil who's trying to fight. Goldie Roger is a famous It's the equal ground with Goldie Roger Whitebeard is equal down by Whitebeard himself. The sea, Goldie Roger is stronger by he's in equal ground with Goldie Roger, the king of the pirates. Before his time, his meat with Whitebeard means Ojonuge. Ojonuge say. What? No Ojonuge. Gold Roger say is Ojonuge. You want the One Piece? He say, no, I'm not interested. The One Piece is not found. Hundreds of years. Hundreds of years. Joyboy found it, but for some reason, Whitebeard don't want. We talk about Georgie Rogers, we don't talk about Whitebeard. So Gold Roger is the king of the pirates. He's buying the One Piece the last 3 years. And Oda say, and I kind of found the One Piece. He can find the One Piece by 1 year. Gold Roger is need to find the One Piece for 3 years straight. And only is only found by because of Ojonuge. Not if Oji Oden wanted to find the final island. The One Piece is called the last thing. Goldie Roger, before he's dying, this be the last thing I say. This say, what the One Piece is fun, you just need to find it. I hide all the treasure in one place. You just need to find it.